In this video, we are going to understand the basic theory behind the Fibonacci retracement. So, before directly jumping on Fibonacci retracement, let's understand what is the Fibonacci numbers in mathematical way. The reason why I am covering this topic, because if you understand what is the Fibonacci numbers, then you are easily able to connect the dots between Fibonacci number and Fibonacci retracement, and why this is so much important in the market, or why Fibonacci number levels are called as critical levels, as well as it will act as a support and resistance in the live market. Okay, so before wasting time, let's start. What is the Fibonacci number? The Fibonacci number is look like this one. Let me bring it up first. 0 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8 comma 13. Now you can ask me, what is this number? Okay, it's really simple. Means, what is 0 plus 1? 1, right? The answer will go here, 1. Then the addition of previous number and current number will go to next number, like 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now what is meant by it? 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, and 8 plus 5 is 13. That's the whole mathematical calculation of the Fibonacci numbers. Addition of previous number into current one. Whoever are the computer science students, they easily able to understand the Fibonacci number, because it's completely older concept for them. In the first year itself they will learn. But who don't having the knowledge of Fibonacci number, hope with this video you got the what is the Fibonacci number. Now let's take an stock market example here. See, these are the whole our Fibonacci number. With the help of this Fibonacci number, the Fibonacci indicator in the TradingView platform, they are created one important level from this Fibonacci number, right? Which the levels are 0, 0.23, 0.38, 0.5. In fact, 0.5 is not considered as a Fibonacci level, but because of the middle number, we are considering 0.5 as a level in the market. Now 0.61, 0.17. Now how these are calculating? It contains some mathematical intuition behind it. For example, 144 divided by 233, we are getting 0.61. Like 377 divided by 6010, we are getting 0.618. So if anyone want to know more details about how we are calculating these numbers, like 0, 0.23, 0.38 with these Fibonacci numbers, then I'm pretty sure it's not helpful for you, but I will share the important link in the video descriptions. You can go through that one, so that you will easily able to understand what are the mathematical calculation behind it. Most probably it's a Zerodha links. Okay, now see, I marked this level with different color. Why? Because in the Fibonacci concept, the most important level which we are going to focus on is these three. These three level is also called as green or golden levels. If market is breaking this type of level with some price action, that means it's a confirmation of the trade. Okay, so now we are discussing more technicalities, like how these Fibonacci numbers are working in the live market in the next video. But for this video, let's consider in point of buyers and sellers. If you see numbers, Fibonacci number, one shifted to here, this one shifted to here, this one and one, these two values are shifted here, right? We are considering as a 2. Now this one and these two making as a 3, right? That means one value is pushing another value, right? So same as we can interpret same thing in this Fibonacci number, because I am considering in my psychology that this number will act as like this. Maybe right, maybe wrong, but just bear with me for some time. Now what I am considering is, suppose whoever sold here, market gone here, market will move upside, again market will gone here. So someone need to sold here, market will go here, market will go here, something like that market will do. So this 0 shifted to 23. Now 23 becomes 38. Means sellers are getting more powerful. Now again this shifted to here. That means this seller is pushing the market downside. This seller added to this seller added to this seller. Now what will happen is, suppose if pullback comes from this one and pullback happens, then what will happen is most of the sellers are activated at the golden levels, right? Most of the sellers, that means their stop loss should be above this golden level. So what will happen is when market break this golden level or trend line, what will happen is market will again start moving upside. The reason is most of the sellers are pushed the markets, and most of the sellers are 0.5 level. 5 level in the sense we are considering 0.5 as a 50% level. So 50% sellers are activated here, but market moving upside. That means there is a high chances that 50% guarantee that, or let's say 50% chances are that their stop loss will hit if market move upside. And this seller, whoever sold here, their buyers will be here, right? Buyers will be somewhere around here, so their stop loss will hit and market will start moving upside. That's the reason Fibonacci level will always work with the help of trend line and some basic price actions. If you're not understanding this, no worries. When we are drawing in the actual live market, I'm going to discuss it again in the chart itself. But if you're not really not understanding, then again just walk through this video one more time. You will easily able to get it. Or if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I will happy to help you. But watch all the technicalities and how it is working in the chart or in the market in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.